Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips, and in this video I will show you on how to save Photoshop or PSD file as PNG in Photoshop. Let me show you how. So just like what you see right here, this is a PSD file right here, and I'm going to use this as an example. You can see all the layers are being fully represented right here. So how do we save this as PNG file? For that, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Save a Copy right here. Go ahead and click on that. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and choose your file destination. So I'm going to save this to desktop right here. Then having choose desktop, next thing you want to do is to choose the right folder that you would like to save the file. So I'm going to go ahead now and save this file in this particular folder right here. Having selected the folder, so next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and choose the file type. So go ahead and click on here, and then make sure you look for PNG right here. Having selected PNG and everything right here, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Save. Then this is going to bump up right here, so you can see PNG format option. Go ahead and click on OK. And in a few seconds, the file is saved right here, just like what you see right here. And it's that simple. So this is how to save your PSD file as PNG file in Photoshop. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your Photoshop like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.